It's 2:47 a.m. You're drenched. Not just warm, soaking wet. Your pajamas are stuck to your back, the sheets are damp. You kick off the covers, freezing. Pull them back on, roasting. And then it happens again, 2 hours later, and maybe again before dawn. You've tried sleeping with a fan. You've tried cooling pajamas that lie. You've been told this is just part of being a woman over 40. It's not. And tonight, I'm giving you 5 hacks that actually work, starting with why these night sweats hit in the first place. Stay with me. Dry sheets are closer than you think. Here's what nobody explains. Night sweats aren't random. They're not punishment. They're your brain's thermostat, your hypothalamus, getting hijacked by hormone fluctuations. When estrogen drops unevenly in perimenopause, your brain can't regulate body temperature properly. A normal room feels like a sauna. A slight drop feels like Arctic wind. Your body panics and floods you with sweat to cool down, even when you don't need it. The result? That 3 a.m. drenching that has you changing clothes, changing sheets, or sleeping in a separate bed. And here's the cruel part. The sleep disruption makes everything worse. Poor sleep spikes cortisol. High cortisol worsens hormone imbalance. More night sweats follow. It's a cycle you can break, but not with fans and wishful thinking. I'm giving you 5 hacks. Some are instant, some take a week, all of them work together. Hack 1. Cool your core before bed. Not your room, your body. Your core temperature needs to drop 1 to 2 degrees for quality sleep. Night sweats happen because your brain thinks you're overheating, then overcorrects. 1 hour before bed, lukewarm shower. Not cold, that triggers adrenaline. Lukewarm lowers skin temperature gradually. 30 minutes before bed, cold pack on the back of your neck, base of your skull, for 10 minutes. This is where your brainstem lives. Cooling here signals your hypothalamus directly. We're safe, we're cool. I use a gel pack wrapped in a thin towel, 10 minutes reading in bed. That's it. Alternative, frozen water bottle rolled under your feet for 5 minutes. Feet have massive blood flow. Cooling them pulls heat from your core. Instant relief, not permanent fix, but it interrupts the cycle tonight. Hack 2. Eat strategically. Yes, again. If you watched my 3 a.m. wake-up video, you know blood sugar crashes trigger cortisol. Guess what else cortisol does? Triggers heat and sweating. That light dinner at 6 p.m.? The one you thought was virtuous? By 2 a.m., your blood sugar is in the basement. Your body releases stress hormones to compensate. Those hormones include adrenaline and, surprise, heat triggers. The fix? Small complex carb plus protein plus fat snack 1 hour before bed. Half apple with almond butter. Greek yogurt with walnuts. Small sweet potato with tahini. Not heavy, not sugary, just enough to keep your blood sugar steady through the night so your body doesn't panic sweat. Women who try this report fewer sweats within 3 nights. Not because the snack is magic, because stable blood sugar means stable hormones. Hack 3. Your bedding is lying to you. Breathable cotton traps moisture. Cooling memory foam retains heat like a furnace. Mattress natural latex or hybrid with coil base. Air flows through, heat escapes. Sheets 100% linen or bamboo. Not microfiber, not high thread count cotton that feels like plastic. Pillow, shredded latex or buckwheat. Adjustable, breathable, doesn't cradle your head in its own heat. Comforter, lightweight wool or silk. Sounds warm, actually regulates temperature better than synthetic cooling blankets. Yes, this costs money, but how much is your sleep worth? How much is your sanity worth? Start with the pillow. Biggest impact for lowest cost. And the hack within the hack. Keep a spare set of everything within arm's reach. 2 a.m. sheet change? 30 seconds, not a production. Back to sleep faster. Hack 4. Targeted supplementation. Not random. Specific. Magnesium glycinate, 300 to 400 milligrams before bed. Calms nervous system, supports temperature regulation. Most women over 40 are deficient. Vitamin E 400 IU daily, shown in studies to reduce hot flash frequency and severity. Natural form only, D-alpha tocopherol. Evening primrose oil, 500 to 1,000 milligrams. Gamma-linolenic acid supports hormone balance, takes 4 to 6 weeks for full effect. Always check with your doctor, especially if you're on blood thinners or hormone therapy. These are tools, not replacements for medical care. But the women I work with, these 3, combined with the lifestyle hacks, cut night sweat frequency in half within a month. Hack 5. Address the cortisol. The master stress hormone that amplifies every perimenopause symptom. Night sweats don't happen in isolation. They happen in bodies that are stressed, depleted, running on adrenaline. Morning protein within 30 minutes. Stabilizes blood sugar from the start. Day 1 minute of deliberate breathing before each meal. Signals safety to your nervous system. Evening. Screens off 60 minutes before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, which helps regulate your temperature cycle. This isn't about perfection, it's about stacking the odds. Every small signal of safety you send your body reduces the background stress that makes your hypothalamus trigger happy. The night sweats? They're a symptom. The root is a nervous system that needs reassurance. 5 hacks. Pick 2. Start tonight. The cold pack and the bedtime snack cost nothing. Try them. Come back tomorrow and tell me what happened. Comment below which hack are you trying first. Your answer helps other women feel less alone in this. Subscribe to Prime&Power. We're building real solutions for real bodies over 40, not the generic advice that ignores our hormones.